Day zero of 60 days to monetization. Oh my God, I am so excited for this journey for myself. Who knows what the hell is going to happen? But I have finally decided to become a full time content creator, a dream that I've had since I was 19 years old. And I'm starting it now at 35, basically going all in now at 35. I had started and stopped this, I don't even know how many times since I was 19 to now. But I'm so happy that I have decided to go all in and I just. Ugh! So, this is me tracking the goal to getting monetized over the next 60 days. So, just to spice things up and keep things interesting during these 60 days, I have basically taken inspiration from Project 50 and the 75 Hard Challenge and have customized it to fit my personal goals. I'm going to read these rules out to you, and I will be vlogging this daily just as like a short daily check in to give you progress reports. I basically got this idea from when my mum was asking me the other day, just we were having a conversation, and I got fired about 2.5 weeks ago. And I've just been, trying to figure out what I'm going to do and yada yada. And once I decided I was going to be a content creator full time, I started laying the foundation for it, right? Since I'm in Dubai right now, the laws here are different. So basically, getting all the legal work out of the way, just all the foundation work. And so some days would look more busier than other days. And so on one of my chill days, my mom went like, "So what did you do all day, Zeba?" And I don't know what that triggered in me. It upset me so bad. I mean, I realized it triggered like some old wounds from back in the day, but I didn't blow up. I was just like, "Oh, mom." I just told her whatever I was doing, and I was like, "Hey, this gives me like a brilliant content idea. Why don't I document this journey to monetization?" I know for some people it takes years, for some people it takes months, for some people it takes days. I have no idea how long it's going to take for me, but now that I've decided to become a content creator full time, I am going to do everything in my power and give the next 60 days everything to accomplish this challenge. So, here are the rules that I've set for myself. Wake up at 5 a.m. every day, follow a morning routine, which is basically whether it's my voice work, breath work, reading, meditating, whatever I do before I go to the gym, no screens for that entire time, from the time I wake up till the time I go to the gym. 45 plus minutes session of strength training 5 times a week. 8 to 10K steps a day. Totally doable. Because I've gotten much better with this. Like over the last 4.5 months that I've been here, I've gotten really good with my workouts and walking. My average steps while I was at the office was around 7.5K. After I left work over the last 2.5 weeks was 5.5K. I've just gotten a little slower and lazier, which is fine. Not lazier, I was just basically taking a rest. I needed the rest. I took the rest. And now we're getting back into full force starting tomorrow. So I'm just setting out the rules to hold myself accountable. And you can hold me accountable too. Okay, rule number 4, eat clean. My personal goal is to hit 100 grams of protein a day, make sure I get enough fiber, and eat healthy fats. I used to have the most troubled gut for majority of my life. I finally healed my gut, and I now intend to strengthen it. It's just about gotten better. It's been good over the last few months, but I think because of change of location or whatever, I've been experiencing a lot of bloating despite eating clean and training at least 3 times a week. So I'm going to figure this out with my food, but I basically want to strengthen my gut so that no matter what I do, it stays good. Because I treat it quite well. I don't eat a lot of crap anymore. Anyhow, next rule, read 10 pages of non-fiction every day. I've been pretty decent at reading since I've come here too. And even in general, I either listen to a podcast as soon as I wake up or I read a book. I just consistently haven't done both for quite some time. So it'll be nice to get into the habit of consistently reading every day. I'm supposed to be learning one new thing every day, but since we're starting this full time content creator journey, I figured that'll be my something new every day because, of course, I'm going to be learning something new every day. So I basically want to get in 6 hours of productive time 5 days a week. This is non negotiable, and I get into bed by 8:39 p.m. Non negotiable. And rule number 7, track my progress. Now, this is on the health front, right? For the work front, since this is the 60 days to getting monetized challenge, I'll also be tracking my subscribers, watch hours, videos published, and the revenue that I'm generating. I'll be sharing the live analytics with you. That's what they're called. And my plan is basically this is my content posting plan, right? To accomplish this goal, I'll be posting the 60 days to monetization vlogs daily. I'll be posting 2 long form videos for Love Therapy with Zeba and 3 short form videos daily on YouTube, Insta, TikTok, and Snapchat Spotlight. Let's see which algorithm works best in my favor and with my posting style. I want to go, I know this is a bit aggressive and it's quite a lot to take on, but I know I'm capable of doing this, and this posting schedule is going to be there for the next 60 days. So I'm not going to be looking at the analytics to see how well the videos are doing, even though I'm starting off in my old YouTube page, which currently is sitting at 616 subscribers, but it's literally going to be reviving it from the dead because I haven't been posting on it for like over 2 years now, right? However, I do want to take advantage of the fact that I'm so close to getting this channel monetized in terms of the subscribers. So let's see what happens. I've been watching so many videos, and there's so many different kinds of advice available. Some people say start with the channel that you have, it's fine. Some people say start from scratch, and I understand the whole thing of starting from scratch if your old audience didn't basically subscribe to you for the style of content you're intending on posting now, but then in the past, I'd shared videos on lifestyle, makeup, just random vlogging. There wasn't any strategy as such because I've just started and stopped so many times over the last decade. It's crazy. So I was like, whatever, these followers that I do have are, for the most part, they're friends, family, people who've known me. I don't know how many of these are like strangers. We'll find out. I decided to just start with this channel itself. I'm going to be keeping things super honest, super transparent. Obviously, it's how I roll. And let's see what happens. I'm already excited to report back at the end of the 60 days and see where we stand. But this is basically what my goal is. I'm going to be documenting it live, what my personal experience is going to be like being a full-time content creator. And yeah, getting monetized is step 1. Then we go full blast forward. I'm super excited for this journey for myself. Again, I can't say it enough number of times. It's been my dream since I was 19. And who knew that this was the path that I was supposed to have taken? Because no matter what I've done, I've kept circling back to this. And now finally, I've decided to go full steam forward with this. It's crazy. Anyhow, I am super excited for this journey. I don't want this to be just another self-help page. I intend on showing up as authentically as possible, sharing my life experiences with you so you don't have to repeat the same mistakes, hopefully, that I did. You can go ahead and go make your own. And this is also basically just me sharing my journey of becoming the woman that I have always dreamed of. And hopefully, in the process, I inspire you to do the same and follow what makes your heart happy. That's my only intention, to make you feel a little less alone in this journey and make you feel so, so, so loved as you follow your heart's journey. I've probably repeated myself multiple times. It's fun. I'm going to get better with this. Thank you so much for watching if you've made it till here, and I will see you in day one.